Let me stop 304.
Dispatch has been located.
349 vehicle trying to pull over.
Dashboard vehicle pulling over.
Dispatch has been located.
Driver, show me your hands! Driver, keep your hands up! Driver, with your left hand and left hand only, open the car door from the outside. Driver, stay in the vehicle. Driver, with your left hand and left hand only, open the door. Pull your door out. Pull it out. Open your door all the way. Hands up. Hands up. Show me your hands. Slowly step out of the vehicle. Facing away from me.
Show us your hands! Show us your hands!
Driver, put your hands up. I want you to
Beach 22, buddy.
Turn around!
put your hands up above your head.
Beach 21.
Driver, put your hands up above your head.
Beach 22. Show Whiskey Mike detained under a VOT. Under VOT call, please. Inside the felony stop, whenever you can, just advise on 10-4. Yes, 10-4. 10-4.
Driver! You got anybody on the side? Driver! To your right! Driver, turn around! Turn around! Turn around right now! You hear me? Driver, side step to your right until I tell you to stop! Eat them. Like, they had some strong stuff they used to give us, but they don't give it to us anymore.
And what's your name, partner?
Stephen Morel.
Steve, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have one with you now or any time during a question. If you're not appointed an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions will stop at your request. Do you understand these rights?
Are you being charged with?
Are you being charged with carjacking? You got them, put your feet in the